So guess what I just did? I just went for a walk around our park. This is for a woman who didn't have any legs. Well, I didn't have good knees, and I had fused knees, and I could hardly walk. I got 2 new knees after losing 190 pounds. I'm taking walks in our local park. I mean, this is after being in a wheelchair and using a walker for years. My whole life has changed, people. Lose the weight. Get the joint replacements. Life is beautiful. I feel reborn. Life is amazing. I have so many projects that I'm working on right now. But I just went for a walk at my damn park. I mean, it's just the little things, people, that are just, fit in a restaurant booth is big, but walking around my park is huge.